Is a swollen battery really annoying? Don't panic or rush, buddy, there's a method. First, open the battery case. You need to use a knife to tap the edge where the snap fits, then cut the 2 screws of the flex cable. With these 3 screws removed, you can take it off. Follow buddy's method to remove the entire battery cell and take out the pre-prepared 4400 mAh battery cell. Here the buddy is using an A-grade high-rate battery, and of course the size has to fit. Otherwise it won't fit into the case. Too small or insufficient capacity is also problematic. Choosing the battery cell is very particular. You must ensure proper insulation to prevent short circuits. These plastic pieces are taken from the original battery, so don't throw away the 33 parts after disassembly. Reassemble them the same way they were disassembled, which is not difficult at all. Then install the assembled battery back into the case. When you hear a clicking sound from the snaps, it means it is properly in place. Then connect to the computer for data debugging. After confirming the numbers are correct, further test the charging and discharging. Take off the cover and fix the flex cable switch with screws. This refurbished swollen battery can be like new again. If you find the video useful, please hit follow.